Hi, my name's Xteen. I've challenged myself to cook something different every day for 30 days. Today is day 20, and we are full steam ahead. I've got this bag of Shishito peppers. Excuse me, it's not a bag, it's a party pack. And I'm gonna show you how to blister them on the grill to make them just delicious to pop in your mouth one by one. Very simple and easy to do. Very tasty, and 1 in 10 has heat. Mild and tasty. 1 in 10 has heat. So that's a fun little game you can play as you eat these. First, we're going to wash them. Drizzle a generous dose of olive oil over the shishitos and give them a toss to make sure they're evenly coated. They're all oiled up. Salt like your life depends on it. Toss again. To the grill we go. Even though I'm showing you how to blister these on the grill, you could prepare them in a skillet just as easily, oiling and salting them the same way and then cooking over high heat. The shishitos will start to pop and fizzle, which usually means they're ready to be flipped. You want to give them a nice char on both sides. A little finishing salt? Why not? That was so simple, and now we have a delicious snack to eat. They're perfect. A little salty, a little heat, a little oil, a lot of num 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 num. There's a reason that you can't spell shishito without the word hit, because these are a hit. I'm on one today. So good, they'll make you say sheesh.